Hello, this is Chef Sean Rowe on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. The next preparation we will be going for is a fried chicken. Fried chicken has several steps that are very integral to its success. The first being a seasoned flour. So we're going to take the flour, a little bit of flour right there. We're going to season it with some salt, some fresh ground pepper, and whatever spices that you like. I'm putting in Italian seasoning, some rosemary, extra rosemary, and thyme. That'd be very nice. You just want to integrate all that into the flour so it's mixed together.